Okay, so in this video I'm just going to follow up on the previous video that I did on hyperbolic functions, and in particular I'm going to have a look at the definitions for Cosh t and Sinh t, e to the power of t plus e to the power minus t over 2 and e to the power of t minus e to the power minus t over 2. And I'm going to have a look to see, will they satisfy our formula here, our equation here for the unit hyperbola. So you can see this is the unit hyperbola. We've got Cosh t out as far as here, we've got 1 here, we've got Sinh t up along here, and this area here is t over 2. So our input is going to be twice that area. Okay, so let's just put these two expressions into our formula here for the unit hyperbola and see, do we get 1? So we have, let's see, we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 1. We have Sinh of t is equal to e to the power of t minus e to the power minus t over 2. We have Cosh of t is equal to e to the power of t plus e to the power minus t over 2. So let's substitute these into our equation here. Let's see, we have x, which is Cosh, so that's going to be e to the power of t plus e to the power minus t over 2 squared, minus Sinh then is going to be e to the power of t minus e to the power minus t over 2 squared, and hopefully they will give us 1. So let's square these out. We have e to the power of t plus e to the power minus t squared and then 2 squared on the bottom. So if we square e to the power of t, we'll get e to the power of t times e to the power of t, which is e to the power of 2t. Multiply these two together and double them, gives us twice e to the power of t, e to the power minus t, and then square the final term, that'll give us plus e to the power minus 2t, and that's over 4. Out here I will also have an expression over 4. We'll have e to the power of 2t minus 2e to the power of t, e to the power minus t, plus e to the power minus 2t. Now let's add these two fractions. So our common denominator is 4. That'll give us e to the power of 2t plus 2e to the power of t, e to the power minus t, plus e to the power minus 2t. And it's going to be minus all of this on the top, so we've got to change these signs. So it's going to be minus e to the power of 2t plus 2e to the power of t, e to the power minus t, minus e to the power minus 2t. Okay, so let's see if anything cancels here for us. We have an e to the power of 2t and we have a minus e to the power of 2t. We have, let's see, an e to the power minus 2t plus and a minus e to the power minus 2t. So they cancel as well. Now if you look at these here, we have an e to the power of t times e to the power minus t. Add the powers, that gives us e to the power of 0, which is 1. So we just end up with 1 times 2, which is 2. Same thing here, we end up with plus 2 over 4, and you can see here that we get 4 over 4, which is 1 is equal to 1, and that's it. So it does work. When we substitute Cosh and Sinh into our unit hyperbola formula, we do get 1. They do satisfy that particular equation.